Hello lovelies, I'm in tropical Honduras and it is a gorgeous day, very sunny and windy, my hair is everywhere. I'm here to check out the incredible culture and all the beautiful scenery and the inspiration for the jewelry designs. As you can see, everything is painted so brightly. Look at the orange and the turquoise and all the art. Isn't so inspirational? I just entered the pier and I'm just having a walk around, see what's going on. Beautiful art, isn't that incredible? Cool. Let's take a walk and see what's happening. You see all the cruise ships there? And look at the mountain tops. Fauna and the foliage. They even have a monkey bar. I'm so happy to be here. Welcome to Honduras.